Hi, Miss Janet. I spoke with you about a week ago. I was trying to get some CCTV footage, but it was too far back. Yeah, I was gonna see if I could get the one from the day when I came in and spoke with you. I think it's the 22nd of March, and it was, I think between 4 and 5 p.m. To be honest with you, I don't think it shows that much anyway. It seems to just show the window, but I'm just kind of... Right. Yeah, and then they see they have... Yeah. Right, and then they have one outside that points towards the parking lot and stuff too, but just the one that points towards the windows if... Yes, ma'am. Y'all are trying to get it all upgraded, yeah. It's technology. You have to do it every so often. You know, they'll never make anything to where it's just like the best that it can ever be in the beginning. They want you to come back and buy the next one. Yeah, I'll probably talk to Miss Joy, the deputy of... Yeah. Yeah, I just met her this morning, so... Sorry, I'll be right over. It's strictly video, right? There's no audio recording in here. Or just video, no audio. Okay. Yeah, I should have only came into frame a couple times. I think I was at the window. From the time I came in to the time I leave. That's beautiful. That works for me. I don't think I was here any longer than half an hour, to be honest. It's just as long for them to figure out that I needed to talk to you, and then I talked to you, and then I spoke to a lady for like a few more minutes. So I went, after I spoke to you, I don't think I went back to the window. I think that everything else was just me speaking with that lady, and then I left. I can wait for it. Yeah, cool. Well, I guess I'll talk to you here in a little bit. All right. Bye-bye.
You are dropping off bills? That'll be right over there, yes. Okay.
All right, what you got for me?
Did you say 911 calls as well?
I know there's radio.
Anything pertaining to those reports? Okay,
Yeah.
911 calls we don't do.
Okay.
That's Polk County Sheriff.
Okay.
Now the report, I have them, but before we can hand it out, we have to go through the report in order
And
for us to
redact,
give it
and
exactly.
so it's going to take some time to get it back to me.
It's going to take some time. Do you have a contact number where we can?
Can I give you? I've been sending everything to my email via like PDF. Can I give you that?
If you have your email and you want to put it here for me, please.
Yes, ma'am. Right. There's trays and stuff in here. What was your name? I haven't met you.
Vermalyn, V-R-M-A-L-Y-N.
Okay. Vermalyn.
There you go.
Thank you very much.
Okay, all
Thank
right.
you.
So once everything is ready, since all we can, this is the only way we can contact you, we'll just email
That would
you
be,
and
yeah,
let you
that would be
know.
the best way to get it to me, and yeah, I'll just look out for it.
Okay.
There, if I think all that stuff can be sent via email, but if there's
Yeah, we
anything that
can.
you have to burn or anything, just let me know that there's stuff to
Yeah,
pick
we
up.
can
And
send it through email. That'll be fine.
Okay, beautiful.
All right,
Thank you very much.
Have a good one.
You too. Oops. I look like one person everybody knows. It seems like a familiar face, I guess. Y'all have a good one. Y'all all right?
How are you?
Doing good. Just waiting on some stuff.
Waiting?
waiting on some stuff, some records. What's that? No. Just make sure everybody is held accountable and does what they're supposed to do.
Exactly. Good.
Yeah. Should be one in every town, you know?
That's good.
It's crazy the stuff you learn, too. Very interesting.
Yes, a lot of old boys.
So what did they say, they dumped all their bottles in there by accident?
I dumped all the bottles in, I figured it took the names off.
Well, no, I thought they said that they did, like they didn't see that it was supposed to be in bags or something like that. I hope they did.
Those people just dumped them in.
The pills loose or the bottles?
Wow,
Oh, hopefully they took their names off of them.
that's what I said.
Yeah,
That's what I had done, was take all the names off.
that's crazy.
That was a couple hours.
What brings you guys here?
She has to get a drive.
Oh, somebody steal your wallet or something like that?
Mm-hmm.
That's why I take the lights off of my bicycle when I lock it up. 'Cause it's like people just steal the stupidest shit.
Right.
Steal everything. They don't make that stuff easy to replace by any means.
That's why I was going to go through the police.
Well, let's see what they can do to help you.
Well, last time I had lost my ID, I called for it stolen and they gave me a paper with a number on it that I took to the DMV and they just gave me a new ID with the number that they gave me on the citation or whatever.
Yeah.
But I don't remember what it was, same day.
Yeah, I need it because I just got a job and I started it tomorrow and they need my actual picture ID to put in the.
That's why we had that last night.
Okay.
That's why we celebrated last night because she works tomorrow.
Here you go. Well, once I get the keys, I'm gonna use the. Where's the family? Once I get the case number, you can go into the DMV and request one. And I think they give it to you. I'm not sure, sorry, let me check. Do you know the location for that?
The DMV, it doesn't matter which one I take her to.
As long as it's full time.
We can go to Bartow tax collector.
Yes.
Okay. Because I didn't make it late, so I was just trying to.
I think, is there, maybe there's one of these lists. Oh, it will make a meeting, no. Sorry. Can I just have your birth certificate? Yeah, I don't know.
I was like, that would happen as soon as you guys start work.
They have.
And like they won't let her start unless she has an ID. She gotta have and she called
Put
me
me in their system, they want me.
this morning. She called her boss to let her know what happened last night,
Mm-hmm.
and she's the one who advised us to report it stolen and to go get the ID that way because you gotta make an appointment and do all this extra stuff just to get.
Yeah.
Okay.
What else was in the
Just my ID, and I had a couple of dollars in there. It was I don't have one. I don't have one card. It's like $10.
Were you with anyone else besides?
No.
Because it's
Okay.
that's why the shit got stolen.
Your private store?
No, I think it was just us because we were just too concentrated on our pool game.
Yeah,
And we left all of our stuff sitting on the thing.
I think we'll do some time.
And you get into it.
Yeah, I'm here. It's okay, it'll be fine, but
You did have it. You're right.
I've been there, I used to go there when it was
Family Billiards, I think, is what it used to be called. Yeah.
Yeah.
Didn't it burn down or something like that?
Yeah.
Is it the same people that own it?
No idea.
Yeah.
I've not done it at all. And I remember how much I don't smoke.
Oh yeah, it used to be bad.
Yeah. It was like, as soon as you open the door, it's just smoky. And I'm like,
Could agree.
I love the pool. I love the pool. And that's the only place around here, so you can't even like. You just what's a good one after that? And what's your address? So let me get this. It was like driver's license?
No, it was just yeah,
Lozado, you remember me recording you over there on
I did.
the?
I saw you. I sure did. Let me get your date on it. Yeah, put it in your pocket. I know some wallets are, especially if you're not wallet. Yeah, you can put it in. I don't even travel with a wallet anymore, I swear. I just go with my ID and my debit card and I put it somewhere on my person because I can't.
Yeah, see, I was gonna put it in my phone case, but I had one of the models that has like all the things on it, little keychains to hold it, so I just put it down.
Yeah. I stopped it a long time ago.
That's why I say you gotta get you a purse or something bigger than what you had, because like this, I don't know this. You know, pretty big, and
Yeah.
but something littler than that, you always sometimes.
Yeah. Well, I'm glad you didn't have anything else in mind, because I have to come up with their socials and
I know I got all of that.
Yeah. Do not take it. Oh, are you do a copy or even so?
Yeah.
Like, there's so many wrong things that we have.
She's trying to get your attention in the back over there too.
Could you let us know?
Sorry, I was gonna tell you that the room's open now.
Oh, yeah. Thank you.
Somebody needs a new battery.
So one more time, just the Florida State ID and $10?
Yeah.
What color was the wallet? Just like that one, you said? No,
It was smaller. It was black and had like a little gold keychain thing.
Okay. Well, no keys in that, right? Alright, anything else? Alright, let me make sure. So that's the case number you can give them. If they need to contact us to get the actual report, they just call us and just send us.
Okay, so just take her to work now? Okay.
Start making an appointment, you have to do one right now.
Okay, thank you.
Alright.
Good luck, ladies. Oh, look, she does have one of those hats.